Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Work on a flat surface and keep parts inside a tray to avoid losing the small spring or screw. Confirm you own the vehicle or have owner permission before opening the key to avoid legal issues. Remove the mechanical key first by sliding the release tab. The metal blade will extend 3-5 inches and lock open. Use a 2mm flathead and a small Phillips for screws. Those tools let you separate the shell without damaging plastic. Wear safety glasses and keep electronics away from static sources during the procedure. Slide the release tab to remove the mechanical key and expose the seam in the shell. Locate the seam where the two plastic halves meet and find the small notch near the buttons. Insert a 2mm flathead into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves without cracking. Apply light pressure and move the driver around the perimeter. Avoid forcing the shell open. Work slowly to preserve the plastic tabs and clips. Keep the circuit board on an anti-static mat or cloth while you continue. Replace the battery with a CR2032 oriented with the plus side up in the battery well. Ensure the retaining clip seats over the edge. Check the rubber contact pads and clean corrosion with a cotton swab and 90% isopropyl alcohol. Do not soak the circuit board. Inspect the spring and button domes for damage and position them exactly before closing. Snap the shell halves together, reinstall any screws, and test all buttons and the remote start from 10 meters to confirm function. Then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.